Hey everyone, if you want to remove backgrounds from product photos in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn your product images into clean, professional images using remove.bg. Clean product images increase sales, improve trust, and make your store look more professional. Start by opening the remove.bg website in your browser. Click Upload and select the product photo you want to edit. Remove.bg will automatically detect your product and remove the background in seconds. Click Download to save your image with a transparent background in PNG format. If you're selling on Amazon or Shopify, you can replace the background with white or a branded color. Make sure the edges are clean and the product looks sharp and professional. You can now use your edited product photos on Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, and social media ads. For best results, always upload high-resolution product images with good lighting and simple backgrounds. For professional results, shoot your products on a plain background before uploading to remove.bg. A common mistake is using dark, blurry, or cluttered product photos, which reduces accuracy. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to remove backgrounds from product photos in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.